Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Pooja. Today we are going to discuss about CrewAI example. I will walk through the code. So as I mentioned in the previous video, CrewAI is a focus on collaborative role-based AI agent that work in teams to tackle complex tasks. Let's go to the example program. This is CrewAI Hello World. This notebook is Hello World example for CrewAI, just like a Hello World program in programming language. This notebook is made to introduce the basic concept, not advanced complexity. The goal here is to understand how agents are created, how tasks are assigned, how collaboration happens. Let's go with the first cell. The commented cell you can see it's the installation command. This line how which library are required. So you can see CrewAI is a core framework and CrewAI tools is like a tool agent can use and setup API it's a such capabilities. The next one is setting API keys. Here we configure environment variables. AI agent needs to access OpenAI model for reasoning, such API for real-time data. So instead of hard coding keys in logic, we stored them securely as the environment variable. So here you can set up your own case as a environment variable, or else you can mention within the code. In this is entire key presentation. So AI agents can use external services just like human use the internet. So the next one is installation. Already I mentioned just uncomment it and run the installation by using pip install command. The next one is importing Crew AI core and tools. This is very important cell. So here we import agent, task and crew from CrewAI framework or package. Agent is represents an AI worker and task is represents a unit of work. Crew is represents a team of agents. We also import tools that allow agents to read files, scan directories, and search the web. This is where the system moves from charting to acting. Installing tools. So the next you can see the installing tools like there is like a doc tool, file tool, search tool. Now we create a actual tool instance. These tools are like capabilities we give to the agents. Directory tool for read folders, file read tool is read files, and serper dev tool is s- search the internet. So docs tool is nothing but displaying the content. So yeah, it's a displaying tool object. And next, testing search tool. So this is a search tool. Before giving a tool to an agent, we have to test it, right? So we test it manually. This confirms internet access works and such result are returned. So this is mirrors a real world development practice. So this is like a search tool. We are searching like we can connect with the internet and we are able to fetch it or not. So the next one is the creation of agents, creating AI agents. So here we defined two agents. You can see one is a researcher and another one is a writer. So the researcher agent act like a market analyst. So you can see the role here, market research analyst, and it allows to search the web. What it will do, it allows to search the web and provide up to date market analysis of the AI industry. What it will do, it will search the web and extract the information from, sorry. And next one is writer agent, the content writer. So acts like a content writer, can read and write documents. I'm sorry. This is a perfect example of role based intelligence. Instead of one AI doing everything, we divide responsibilities exactly how human teamwork. So you can see here we are creating a agent, and this is a market research analyst, and this one is a content writer, and giving the goal and backstory and tools, what tools should extract. So the goal is like a provide up to date market analysis of the AI industry and backstory, an expert analyst with the knee eye for market trend. So next we are creating a task for that agents. One is the task for research, is a description, research the latest trend in the AI industry and provide a summary. So expected output should be a summary of the top three trending developments in AI industry with a unique perspective on their significance. So here we are giving a researcher agent. Same as we are writing a task for writer agent. So as a content creator, you can see that. Now, after creation of agent and task, what we have to do? This is where we have to collaborate by using a crew. The crew is knows who the agents are, knows what task adjust, and it should be coordinates and execute. So it will take that agent, and agent number one researcher and two is a writer, same as task research and write, and it is giving a planning. So this is one of the main thing, like a plan task execution before acting. So here what it will do, it will plan the execution itself and create a task execution. So this is how we have to create a agent and create a task and execute it within the crew. So and we can run without planning as well. Just we have to give like parameter planning. Here if it is a true above, it will execute based on the plan, and if it is false, it won't execute without plan. So sorry, it will execute without plan. So this allows you to compare planned execution and direct execution. You can choose see the outputs how it come. This is like a with unplanned execution. It is the planned execution. You can see we are planning, and so I mean we are giving like a some plan. This time it should be executed like that. This all are result you can execute your, and you can able to see the output. These are like this is the agent execution with the crew execution is completed, so you will get like this. And now going to the next step is a single agent example. So earlier we discussed a chat GPT is a single agent. So same I can give how single agent will work. For example, we can take that CrewAI import process. So now a data analyst is the single agent. Here role is like a educator and the goal is like a based on the context provided answer the question. It's like a chat GPT or a chatbot. So the backstory, you are the data expert. So here in this session we are showing like a single agent setup. So you can see that allow delegation is like a false. So this means agent works alone, no collaboration happens. So you can see that we are creating a task. In the task we are giving like a description agent and expected output, and that we are executing within the crew. So crew dot kickoff is the a running command. So these are like I want to discuss today with you how we can create like a agent task and collaborate within the crew by using Hello World program. I hope you understand this code. You can try it out in your end. If you have any doubts, you can add it in the comment section, and yeah, we can connect back into the next session. Thank you so much.